Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another group break. It is Sunday Funday, one day before Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. It is October 30th, Sunday. And no trades in this one. Confirming one more time. No trades, right? Anaheim Ducks is Kyle all the way down to Steve and the Jets. So we're going to start with oldest to newest, 1112 Titanium, then Select, SPX Platinum, SP Authentic, and we're going to finish with Enshrined. 1112 Titanium. Good luck. Yeah, I don't see anyone else doing $10 breaks with this many boxes in it. Or adding bonuses like that to them. For the Coyotes, game-worn gear of Shane Doan. But I appreciate your business, all you guys that join us every week and support us. It is greatly appreciated. For the Buffalo Sabres, game-worn gear of Thomas Vanek. And we have 90 of 99 red parallel for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Chris Letang. And we have a 4 stars for the LA Kings. Number 30 of 75, Andrei Kopitar, Mike Richards, Drew Doughty, and Kyle Clifford. Going out to the LA Kings. Flova. It was a very good case there, Everett. Every box pack had a patch, so we went 10 for 10, actually. So it was a very, very good case. No shield in this one, but it was very good. Oh, we have a rookie card going out to the Colorado Avalanche, 47 of 50, Cameron Gaunce, rookie. And, oh, my buddy, number 52 of 100, inked sweaters, dual jersey, rookie auto, Mika Zibanejad for the Ottawa Senators. The only Persian guy in the NHL. He's playing for the Rangers now. Pretty much the only PC I'm going to keep. Nice set, Ottawa. Well, to me it's a nice set. And we have a Titanium Reserve autograph. No numbering. Going out to Tampa, Teddy Purcell. Tampa, Serge P. These are the most beautiful base cards I've seen. My favorite base cards, actually. It's the 1112 Titanium. Very nice looking design to them. So that wasn't a bad box. Not bad at all. Do you want Ovi, Griffey? I'll put Ovi aside for you, buddy. Select 1314 Select Mini. For the Boston Bruins, a Rainbow Refractor, Zdeno Chara. Mikaya is the only Persian NHLer. For the Red Wings, not bad. Select signatures of Thomas McCollum. I don't know if this guy's still on the roster or not, but I remember his cards were selling pretty decent. Rookie year. For the San Jose Sharks, Fire on Ice, Matt Irvin, rookie. And a rainbow, Nicholas Cronwall for the Detroit Red Wings. For the Vancouver Canucks, Corey Schneider. Oh, sorry, not Canucks. Never mind. Going out to the New Jersey Devils, Corey Schneider. And for the Capitals, rookie of Cameron Schilling. For the Philadelphia Flyers, rookie autograph, Ty McGinn. 303 of 399. What a terrible box. Drew LeBlanc, rookie for the Hawks. Wow, that was terrible. Thomas McCollum, Paskey. Do you need this one, Griffey, man? Ovechkin base? Pretty sure you have select. McCollum autograph there. Okay. 1415 SPX. Where's the serial number on this? Am I blind? Okay, no serial number. You have it? Yeah, I thought you did. Rainbow of Cronwall. The other Detroit was Rainbow Refractor of Nicholas Cronwall. Going out to the Stinky Leafs, Peter Granberg, rookie. Oh, forgot to open the bonus first. For the Chicago Blackhawks, inaugural materials, rookie of Adam Clendening. This guy's changed like 5 teams and then he got sent to the minors. Oh, not bad. For the Detroit Red Wings, finite rookie gold, number 2 of 125, Timo Pulkkinen. There's your third Red Wings there. For the Buffalo Sabres, die-cut rookie of Sam Reinhart. For the Carolina Hurricanes, rookie of Victor Rask. Oh my God, why do I say Fost every time? Victor Rask for the Hurricanes. Yeah, Pulkkinen's pretty decent. Our rookie jersey autograph goes to the Nashville Predators. Yay, Ben. Kyle Yarncrook. 21 of 399. Rookie jersey auto. Kyle Yarncrook. At least he's still a Predator. I wish it was Sissons. I would have made a deal with you. Oh, we got 2. Our second one goes to the Sharks. Chris Tierney. Number 288 of 399. Rookie jersey auto. San Jose. Going up to the Red Wings, die cut of Nicky Lidstrom. For the Flames, Marcus Granlund, rookie. We have a gold rookie die cut for the Chicago Blackhawks, 49 of 50, Teuvo Teravainen. Letrowski. For the Islanders, die cut of Mike Bossy. For the Blackhawks die cut of Duncan Keith. Horrible edges. Horrible edges on this one. The other ones like that too? Yeah, the other die cuts are not in the best shape too, guys. Just to let you know. As always, UD quality control. Not the best. And the last one going out to the Habs, Sven Andrighetto. Average box. Three more boxes left, halfway there. Sorry, 1 second here, guys. Someone is asking a million questions on Facebook. Give me 1 second here. Okay, sorry guys. A couple of new guys didn't know where and how it works. So, okay, 461 1516 OPG Platinum, Andy's favorite product. We start with a retro of Vladimir Tarasenko, St. Louis. Rainbow Alex Steen for the Blues, and rookie Devin Shore for the Stars. Sandbagger loves that too. Retro rookie of Ryan Hartman for the Blackhawks. And for the Habs, Charles Hudon, rookie. Just sometimes they're so scratched up. That's the problem. For the Flames, Johnny Gaudreau, retro. And we have a black coming up for the Dallas Stars. Black Ice, number 22 of 99, Patrick Sharp. Going out to Miles. And the Nikolai Ehlers rookie for the Jets. White Ice for the Ducks. 114 of 199, Corey Perry. And a rookie, Linus Olmark for the Sabres. Come on, let's get a big vet auto. Phil Esposito for Boston. And a rookie of, wow, these are all scratched up, guys. Holy, this is such a bad condition. Especially this one, wow. It's off-centered, it's dirty, scratched up. See that? Rangers, David Dawes. I'll see if I have one. I got tons of platinum in my dollar box. I'll see if I have the same card to replace it for you. Our first autograph goes to the Anaheim Ducks. Sorry, I missed the Turco. Dallas. Anaheim Ducks, Yuri Sikach. Blue Rainbow autographs going to Anaheim. And a rookie of Ryan Hartman for Chicago. We have gold going up to Tampa. Retro gold 148 of 149. Ben Bishop. Retro rookie Nick Patan for the Jets. And Stanislav Galiev rookie for the Caps. We have a team logo for the Winnipeg Jets. Andrew Ladd and Emile Poirier has to show up in our breaks. Going out to Flames. Ah, come on. That's our auto. Come on. Boo. For the Penguins, Sergei Pletnikov, rookie auto. Damn it. Sorry, buddy. And Hunter Shinkarek for the Canucks. That's just not... That's too low, man. So bad. Auctions on eBay go so bad. I'm so against auctions on eBay. It's good for buying, but for selling, man, it's just horrible. Steven Stamkos, Superstars for Tampa, and a Connor Hellebuck rookie for the Jets. Meh is the right word. Rainbow Retro, Eric Carlson for Ottawa, and Nick Ritchie for the Ducks. Rainbow of Matt Duchene for the Avalanche. Come on, give us a third auto for the first time. Trex, Taylor Hall for the Oilers. And Kevin Fiala, rookie for the Preds. Trex of Shea Weber for the Predators. Rainbow, Logan Couture for the Sharks. Colton Perriecco, rookie for the Blues. 2 left. Rainbow rookie, Robbie Fabry for the Blues. And Jake Virtanen, rookie for the Canucks. Last pack is Taylor Hall for the Oilers. And Matt Pumple for the Sens. And the bot box. Come on! Give us some good boxes. What the hell? Let's go with a strong box of SBA. Come on, strong box of SBA. SBA box number 64. Last box on the shelf. Let's hope last box mojo. Corner Future Watch would be nice. Good luck, guys. We start with a Premier Prospects, Nikolai Goldobin for the Sharks. Oh, nice hit for Boston. Sign of the Times, Bobby Orr. Damn. Congrats, buddy. Nice hit. Sandbagger gets his team and gets his player. Nice hit, buddy. Nice hit. See, it's not always good to get spot number 8 and 20 there, buddy. Not always good. Sometimes you gotta go with other numbers. And Future Watch for the Philadelphia Flyers. 434 of 999. Taylor Lear. Or Tyler. Tyler or Taylor Lear? Thanks, buddy. Sure. Legends, Felix Potvin, Toronto. It's if you make it down. That's the main question, Sandbagger. Make it down and then... Oh, I thought it was Matt Murray. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, Yanni Gourde, Young Guns. Sign of the Times. Oh, this one is numbered with the inscription on the bottom. 31 of 40 for the Ottawa Senators. Curtis Lazar, Sign of the Times. inscribed Laz. Steve Colonna. Toronto is West P. I'm pretty sure Wes is okay with that. If not, I probably have that in my dollar box. I'll throw it in your pile there, Steve. Legends of Glen Hall for the Blackhawks. I probably have that in my box there, Steve. I'll throw one in for you. 838 of 999 for the Vancouver Canucks. Future Watch autograph of Brendan Gaunce. Something Flames a couple. Nothing crazy though. Authentic moments. Sorry, all-time moments for the Bruins. Bobby Orr. Oh, there you go. Thanks, Wes. Wes, I'll throw something in for you if you want, but as I said, I probably have 4 or 5 of those. Going up to the Predators, Roman Josi. LA Kings, all-time moments of Wayne Gretzky. Come on, give us a patch. Give us a bonus hit. For the Habs, Alex Galchenyuk. Thanks, Wes. Just going to put that there. That's going to go to Steve. Steve, do you need the all-time moments as well? Or no? All-time moments, Pot Man. Couple of base updates. Oh, God damn it. Gotta freaking put this camera on. Hold on 1 second. And get rid of these. Gotta somehow attach this camera to this freaking table so it doesn't keep falling like that. For the Dallas Stars, Legends of Bill Guerin. Oh, nice. Yeah, I like Felix Potvin's autograph. He's got a pretty nice auto. Colorado, Joe Sakic. Richard Panik base update. Any of you guys want your base update? Let me know. Otherwise, obviously, it goes in the base pile. For the Flames, premier prospects of Sam Bennett. Sure, buddy. Will do. Zach Parise for Minnesota. I was going to, but I wasn't sure if you want me to do that or not. I love one-touches, you know. You saw my Tavares autos, all in the one-touch, even the $20 one. Authentic moments of Alex Ovechkin for the Capitals. And that was it. Not a bad box. Not a bad box at all. Last box of the break, enshrined. Let's see if we can get a 1-of-1 or something in there. Good luck, everyone. Sealed. Good one on top. Number 14 of 45. Silverware Conn Smythe Trophy jersey card of Steve Yzerman for the Detroit Red Wings. Nice hit, Keeson. Next up, randomized between Chicago and Detroit. Chris Chelios and Brendan Shanahan, 25 of 45. Chicago is Letrowski. Detroit is Keeson. Going to be randomized between the two. Next up is, ooh, nice hit for the Habs. Very nice hit for the Habs. 3 of 5. Induction showcase for the Montreal Canadiens, Dickie Moore. Three of 5. Dickie Moore. Look at that old school stained up piece right there. RG Strand, Montreal, congrats. Yeah, original 6 usually do good in this break. And the last one is, someone has to tell me if that's Red Wings or that's a Rangers. Number 33 of 45 for, doesn't have the team there, so it's either Detroit or Rangers. Whoever played more for. 33-45, Bill Gaspy. What's up, Dallas? Someone check that for me. That would be great. And that was it. Not bad. That Gaspy's, sorry, that Dickie Moore is pretty nice. Am I totally wrong? It's not even, is it Chicago? Doesn't have a team here, so it's going to go to the team he played most for. And someone says it's Chicago. Let me see. Detroit. Yeah, he played Chicago 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years with Chicago, and 2, 4, 5 with Detroit. So going out to the Chicago Blackhawks. Thanks, Luchowski. Chicago is Eric. There you go, buddy. 33 of 45. Seems like he's very old because that is a very shaky autograph. So that was group break number 11-20. We have one multi-random to do right here between, wow, this is a weird, that's a melted top loader. You see that curve there? It's like melted. Wow. Never seen that before. Whoever wins this, if you want, I can switch the top loader for you. As you see, it's got a little curve there, right there. It's like melted. So I can switch it for you if you want. Otherwise, I'll just send it to you like that. So Chicago, Detroit, good luck. Okay, we got one multi-random to do right here. Chris Chelios and Brendan Shanahan, Chicago and Detroit. Dice set 10 times. We're randomizing it 10 times, and the team on top gets it. Good luck. See you, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final according to our dice. 10th and final. Congrats to Chicago. Wow, Chicago got both those cards. Chicago got those two. And Detroit got the Stevie Y, so not bad. So that's it, 11:20 guys, done and in the books. We'll be back with more breaks right after this. Thank you.